Global environmental issues, understanding and acting on key threats, picture a world with clear skies, lush forests, and thriving wildlife. Unfortunately, our planet faces severe challenges that threaten this vision. Environmental issues like climate change, deforestation, pollution, and more are reshaping our world. These problems don't just harm distant places, they impact every corner of the Earth, including where we live. Climate change is one of the biggest threats we face. It's mainly caused by greenhouse gases released from burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and industrial activities. The consequences are dire: rising sea levels, severe weather, and disrupted ecosystems. These changes endanger wildlife and threaten our homes, agriculture, and safety. Forests are being cleared at an alarming rate for agriculture, urban development, and logging. This destruction not only displaces wildlife but also increases carbon dioxide levels in the atmosphere, driving climate change. Without trees, soil erosion becomes a major problem, degrading land quality and increasing the risk of floods. Pollution is a pervasive issue affecting air, water, and land. Industrial emissions, vehicle exhaust, and improper waste disposal contaminate the environment. Air pollution causes respiratory problems. Water pollution endangers aquatic life and makes drinking water unsafe. Cleaning up these pollutants requires enormous resources and collaborative efforts. The Earth's biodiversity is under threat. Habitat destruction, overhunting, pollution, and climate change are causing species to disappear at an unprecedented rate. The loss of species weakens ecosystems, making them less resilient and disrupting vital processes like pollination and water purification, which are essential to human survival. The world's waste problem is growing rapidly. From single-use plastics to electronic waste, improper disposal harms wildlife and pollutes ecosystems. Recycling efforts are essential, but they need to be significantly expanded to manage the rising levels of waste effectively. Oceans absorb a large portion of the carbon dioxide emitted into the atmosphere, leading to acidification. This change in pH harms marine species like coral reefs and shellfish, disrupting marine ecosystems and threatening food sources for millions of people who depend on the sea for their livelihood. Soil degradation, often caused by over-farming, deforestation, and industrial activities, reduces soil fertility and increases erosion. This leads to lower crop yields, threatens food security, and diminishes water quality as runoff carries pollutants into water bodies. Overpopulation puts enormous pressure on our planet's resources. More people mean more demand for food, water, and energy, leading to accelerated resource depletion, increased waste, and habitat destruction. Managing population growth sustainably is crucial for the future of our planet. The world is working together to tackle these issues. The Paris Agreement aims to reduce greenhouse gas emissions globally. The UN Sustainable Development Goals focus on climate action, protecting life on land and water, and promoting sustainable practices. The Convention on Biological Diversity seeks to protect ecosystems and ensure sustainable use of natural resources. We all have a role to play. Governments can enact laws and policies that protect the environment. Communities can come together for local initiatives like tree planting, recycling, and conservation. And as individuals, simple actions like reducing waste, conserving energy, and supporting sustainable products can make a big difference.